Imagine a bustling Nairobi market, filled with the vibrant colors of fabrics, the aroma of spices, and the energetic chatter of vendors. A Kenyan entrepreneur, let's call her Jane, is looking to expand her online business to reach customers globally. Jane has heard about Airwallex, a global fintech platform that promises to simplify international payments. But she's not sure if it's available in Kenya. She's not alone. Many Kenyan businesses and individuals are wondering the same thing. So, in this video, we're going to answer the question, is Airwallex available in Kenya? And if so, how can it benefit you? Understanding Airwallex. Before we dive into the Kenyan context, let's quickly understand what Airwallex is. It's a financial technology company that provides a range of services, including international payments, currency exchange, and embedded finance solutions. Airwallex's mission is to make global commerce easier and more affordable. It offers a user-friendly platform that allows businesses to send and receive payments in multiple currencies without the hassle of traditional banking processes. Airwallex in Kenya, a reality check. Now, coming to the main question, is Airwallex available in Kenya? The short answer is yes. Airwallex has expanded its operations to several African countries, including Kenya. This means Kenyan businesses and individuals can leverage the platform's benefits to streamline their international transactions. Key benefits of Airwallex for Kenyan businesses. Let's explore some of the key benefits that Airwallex offers to Kenyan businesses. Faster and cheaper payments. Airwallex's technology enables faster and more cost-effective international payments compared to traditional banking methods. This can significantly reduce the time and money spent on cross-border transactions. Multiple currency support. Airwallex supports a wide range of currencies, making it easier for Kenyan businesses to deal with clients and suppliers from different countries. This eliminates the need for complex currency conversions. Embedded finance solutions. Airwallex also offers embedded finance solutions, allowing businesses to integrate financial services directly into their products or platforms. This can provide added value to customers and drive revenue growth. Global reach. By using Airwallex, Kenyan businesses can tap into global markets and expand their customer base. The platform's international network provides access to a vast pool of potential customers. How to get started with Airwallex in Kenya. If you're a Kenyan business looking to use Airwallex, the process is relatively straightforward. You can sign up for an account on the Airwallex website and provide the necessary documentation. Once your account is verified, you can start using the platform's services. Airwallex is indeed available in Kenya, and it offers a range of benefits to businesses looking to streamline their international transactions. From faster payments to multiple currency support and embedded finance solutions, Airwallex can help Kenyan businesses grow and succeed in the global marketplace. So, if you're a Kenyan entrepreneur looking to expand your business beyond borders, consider giving Airwallex a try. It might be the solution you've been searching for. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.